Oh, my WhatsApp number got blocked. My WhatsApp number got banned. How to activate again? Even after activation, my WhatsApp got blocked many times. Did your number got blocked by WhatsApp? Tell us here in comment box. We will never share it to anyone. Top secret. Hi, this is Krishna from DG Bulk Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about how to solve the problems created due to bulk WhatsApp marketing and some tips to follow for no further blocking issues. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly, let's see why our problems are created, why our WhatsApp number get blocked. So first, maybe you have done over marketing for something. Second is, you joined so many groups or you created many groups in a single day. And the third one is you are using unofficial app or for WhatsApp like WhatsApp Plus, or many people block you or report your number in a single day. So due to these reasons, your WhatsApp number can be banned. So let's activate our banned WhatsApp number again. As you can see here on my screen, you will get your WhatsApp number logged out. When you try to log in, you add your number and moving forward, you will get a pop-up with notice that your number is banned from using WhatsApp. Contact support for help. So click on the support and here describe your problem. So simply type, my account is banned, please activate again. Then click on the next button and here at the bottom you can see in the green colored box, this doesn't answer my question. Click on that. Your Gmail will be open, and if you get another option, please select Gmail. Here check all the details and mainly check your number which is blocked and then simply send. Within 1 day you will get a confirmation mail and then you can log in your WhatsApp number again. This confirmation mail you can get within 5 minutes or it could take 1 day also. So till then, let's play Garba. Means just wait for confirmation mail. If you don't get confirmation mail till 2 dates, then repeat the process. That's it. Now let's move on to the tips to reduce the blocking issues in WhatsApp bulk marketing. Tip number 1. I want my business marketing fast as lightning. Don't like slow marketing. So please don't have this kind of attitude in WhatsApp bulk marketing. So when you're using any tool or software for WhatsApp marketing, then don't try to complete your campaign fast. You need to maintain 10 to 15 second time interval between two messages. I know your campaign will take a bit longer to be completed and you can do less marketing, but if you set less time interval and do more marketing, then may your message are sent, but at last your number also get blocked. So set time interval of 10 to 15 seconds between two messages, so WhatsApp's algorithm can also find that you're using automation for marketing, right? Tip number 2. Use temporary numbers. Don't use your main WhatsApp number for your marketing. Use any other temporary numbers or any virtual numbers available in marketing, right? So if your number get blocked by WhatsApp, still it will not affect your business, right? Moving on to the third one. If you're using any new number or new virtual number, then don't use it direct for marketing. Firstly, create your profile on WhatsApp, set profile DP, status, etc. like that. For starting 5 to 6 days, don't use your new number or new virtual number for marketing. And do chat with your family, friends, or do your own numbers from the new numbers, right? And that will increase the conversation ratio and create maximum conversation ratio in this 5 to 6 days. Even after all this, don't do more and more marketing, right? In starting, do marketing on 50 to 100 contacts, then 100 to 200 contacts, just like this. Just push this limit every time, right? Okay, so moving on to the fourth one. When you do marketing, put 10% of contacts which are familiar to you or with whom you have talked before. Or you can add your numbers also. From those numbers, do reply. Simply just hi, hello, etc. like that, right? Simply this will show that you are normal people talking to each other. Not any automation is used, right? Tip number 5. If you want to do more marketing, then don't use a single WhatsApp number. Increase the WhatsApp number or account for marketing. That will divide your contact data among those WhatsApp numbers. So per WhatsApp number, marketing will be less. Even per WhatsApp number, do marketing only on 500 numbers. And if you do less than this, then that will be better, right? So follow these tips to reduce the chances of getting your WhatsApp number blocked or banned by WhatsApp. And here is one more thing. Take a note that whatever number you're using for marketing, change profile DP, put status whenever you get time, right? Do all this activity often. So here in this video, we have talked about first why WhatsApp number get blocked due to bulk marketing, how to active WhatsApp number again, and tips to follow for no blocking issue. So if you have any other tips for no blocking issues, then tell it here in our comment box. And if you got benefit through our tips, then share it to your friends and family. So like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.